Cash in on video marketing, regardless of your budget or your experience. You know that video is the thing to elevate your visibility, your credibility, and your sales. Yet you still hesitate. What do I say? How will I come across? Isn't it expensive? Here's the thing. You can start using video today to grow your brand and your bottom line, no matter what your budget is or even how nervous the idea might make you. And we'll show you how. We've drawn on our experience producing over 1,000 videos for small business people just like you to create a comprehensive guide that walks you through the process, step by step, from what to say to what to use and how to get your videos seen by the people you're trying to reach. Click below to get access to the definitive guide to video marketing for small business and start building your brand in your business today.